That one. Oh, we're here.
We are here. Oh my goodness. COCO. Excited? You look beautiful in the jungle. Oh my God. How beautiful.
Every time.
We are on this beautiful jungle, COCO TULUM, and Bebe, she got us upgraded. We have a suite, a beachfront suite. So we originally got the jungle room, but because we got married yesterday, we have this room. Let's show you. This is my first time seeing it too. Give us a tour, baby.
I don't know what that was.
Oh. Oh my God. Talk about a honeymoon. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Holy macro. I want to get in all of it. Oh. And a shower. 2 rain shower. Oh my God. It's so cute. I love it. Thanks, baby. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is the toilet. Interesting. That's kind of cool. And we have a patio? Oh my God. Wow.
How cool are eggs, baby?
That's it. Oh my gosh. I feel married. I feel blessed. I feel rich.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. where you wanna go. Stars align under your face.
Just realized that this place, our hotel, comes with breakfast. That's nice. It's worth the money. So we just ordered 2 coffees, 2 orange juices, and then you have an entree. We ordered chilaquiles, but you can also get pancakes or I don't know what else. But
It said huevos al gusto.
oh, it's like gusto?
Al gusto. It was unlimited eggs.
Who likes eggs that much? Oh, and then it says, and then another part said eggs however you want. But it's really cute. Look at these little like chairs. We have a couch. Adorable. There's different type of seating too. But I want to sit right next to my wifey. Are you smiling?
Yep.
This cute little place. It's so cute. Look at our delicious food just got here. Chilaquiles. Oh my god. This looks delicious. Good morning from COCO TULUM.
Do you want to see where other room is supposed to be?
Sure. Oh, these are cute. So these are maybe like the jungle ones?
Yeah.
Taking shoes off. So the restaurant is down there. It just connects to the hotel. But the hotel's so big. This is where we were supposed to stay before we got upgraded. Oh, wow. Let me show you. Destiny's gonna show us our other room where we're supposed to stay. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, really? Honey. Yeah. Really cute. Oh, it's like just a jungle.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder.
Bye, Coco. We were lounged for the last hour here. Yeah. Last two. I don't want to leave. It's okay. We plan to be back. Coco, you were amazing. You were great to us. We love you. We appreciate all of these staffing. I cannot see.
Me neither. We need like 10 minutes.
Yeah, oh, there we go. Go fast.
I'm gonna be so burnt.
So, yeah. There's the beach today. This is where we're saying goodbye. Adios. You Tulum. For now.
We'll be back tomorrow.
I'm booking the next flight when we get home. Just kidding. Bye, Coco. We love you. Highly, 10 out of 10 recommend.